What's up YouTube? Javi here at Javi's Boom Tech, and today is a special video. I officially have received the DiamondBoxx XL. Now, I haven't had much time with it at all. Like I just said, I just got it today, but I wanted to give you guys a quick sound demo, so stick around. Alright guys, I know a lot of you have been asking me about this, if I'm getting the DiamondBoxx XL, if I'm going to be comparing it to this speaker, that speaker. Well, I'm here to tell you guys, yes, I'm going to be comparing it to every large speaker I have. Now, it's going to be several videos because they do merit their own videos comparing it to speakers like the Bumpbox, the Soundbox, and possibly the Ion Road Warrior. Now in the first video that I do, after I've had a few days to check it out and get a good idea of what you're getting with the DiamondBoxx XL, I'm going to go ahead and compare it to its smaller siblings, the DiamondBoxx Model L and the DiamondBoxx Model M. That way you guys get a good idea of the difference between the three models and what you're going to be getting with each one. That'll be in my first video that'll come up in the next few days once I've had a good enough amount of time to get a good feel for the DiamondBoxx XL. But until then, I wanted to give you guys a quick sound demo and give you guys a good feel for the kind of sound you're going to be getting with the DiamondBoxx XL. Now, if you've never seen my videos, when I record audio, I don't use the camera mics. I don't use a shotgun mic, which I'm using right now on top of my camera. I use very high quality binaural microphones that go in each of my ears, and then I plug the end into a Zoom H1. Now this allows me to really dial in the sound recording, that way it's not clipping and it gets the cleanest possible recording for you guys to enjoy and give you a ballpark idea of what to expect sound-wise from the speaker. Now, while this does give you a good idea, it's always best to hear the speaker in person. If you're not able to get in front of it, this sound test should give you a good idea. But enough talk guys, let's get into the sound demo.
I would wait in loneliness. You came and rained all of your love into my life. You're a dream to me, a clear vision of happiness. Reality can never ever be a lie. So happy, like a light you glow. I won't let you slip away. You always show me your love unconditional. So please never change. You're perfect just the way you are.
Alright guys, there you have it. That is a quick sound demo of what you can expect from the DiamondBoxx XL. And I gotta tell you guys, damn, that low end is freaking crazy. I was not expecting that kind of low end. Obviously, I've got to do more testing and play more music on it and see how it compares to some of my other larger speakers and of course its smaller siblings. But first impressions, wow, that thing is nuts. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that, and I will be back in the next few days with a full workup on the DiamondBoxx XL. Until next time, thanks, bye.